Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Elizabeth Arden, and thanks for stopping by. So today, as you read from the title, mainly that's why I clicked on this video, is because I'm going to be showing you these products that I picked up for my upcoming trip to, drumroll, Montserrat College. I don't even... But I'm going to the Montserrat College of the Arts, yeah, for 3 whole weeks, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. So I just have like a few products that I picked up for right now, and then once I fly up there, then also Montserrat is located in Beverly, Massachusetts, and like it's up like near Salem, so. But anyway, I'm going to be like just showing you guys what I had picked up that I could fit into a bag, and then once I get up there, I will finish buying some stuff, like last minute stuff, like because the dorm rooms are apartment styled, so I will be like getting last minute stuff, and yeah. So let's start this video because I'm probably rambling on and you probably don't even know what I'm saying. So let's just get on with this video. I'm going to be recording my like entire adventure up there, so I'm going to be vlogging, and yeah, and I'm going to be rooming with 3 other girls, and I've already consulted them about me vlogging. So the first stop I went to was the Dollar Tree, and a lot of people think the Dollar Tree is like underrated, and I'm just like, I love the Dollar Tree. It has pretty awesome things for $1, so I went to 2 different Dollar Trees because at one of them they didn't have, like one of them I got whatever I could, and then I went to a new one and then I just found more stuff, and so yeah. So the first thing is I got this microfiber like hair wrap, and like mainly for when you're getting out of the shower, so I don't have to like bring 2 giant towels up there with me, and I can just bring this, and it's really small, and it is also blue, as you can see right here. And the next thing I bought was these Breezy dryer sheets, and there's a total of 55 of them, and because I have to do my own laundry, duh. Next, since the dorm rooms are like apartment styled and they have like little kitchens and living rooms or whatever, I got these pot holders, 2 of them, and I got brown because it's just like plain, it doesn't have to do fancy, so I just got these, and there's 2 of them. And next thing I got was this handy dandy oven mitt, because yeah, don't know if you might will need that for cooking. Next I got an LED flashlight because you never know when you're gonna need a flashlight, because these are gonna be pretty handy dandy. You never know when you're gonna need a flashlight. Power might go out, it might be dark in like the middle of the night and you don't want to turn on all the lights. Flashlight. Next I got this little like first aid kit, and it comes with 6 like long sheer bandages. Here, just focus. Comes with all those, and it's in this cute little carrying case, so it's like travel size, and it's really good, and you never know when you're gonna get like a cut or a scrape or something. Next thing I got was some more bandages because you never know, like when you're traveling to an art school, you never know if you might accidentally cut your finger or something. So another thing I got was a can opener, because they're gonna be needing to opening cans for all the meals you make. And I also got some hand soap it's from the brand Soft Soap, and it's in the scent Fresh Breeze, and because you're gonna want to wash your hands. And the last thing I got was this little mirror, and like it can like fold, like stand up, or fold back this way and stand up, but it can like stand up. So I was thinking of bringing this so I could do like little makeup videos or whatever's. So that is all. Oh wait, that's all what I got from Target recently. And there are a few other things that I've already had, or not like recently, but bought a while ago. So I'll show that at the end of the video. But next the next place I had gone was Michael's, because if I'm going to an art school, I'm going to need art supplies. So the first thing I got was this cute like little tabletop easel. It has like a little string back here, so it won't go out too far. And I already have a tabletop easel, but this one is like good because if I have like if I have canvas paper or flat canvas, it can like lay on here and it won't be all flimsy. So I got that. The next thing I got were these 5 flat canvas panels is what they're calling it, and they're 6x8, and I just thought they would be good for like little landscapes or for portraits, because it's a pretty good size. I mean, it's not terrible. And the next thing I got was this Strathmore colored pencil paper, and it's the 400 series, and it has like this little cute picture of a girl and a fox, and it comes with 30 sheets, and like the paper feels really nice, and yeah, branching out into different realms. At Michael's it was like buy one get one free of like any Strathmore Canson products, like sketchbooks, sketch pads. And so the thing that I got for free was this little mixed media pad, and it flips up like that. And me personally, I don't really like the flip up, because like I feel like these pages can just like rip off easily when I'm working, but they only have like this style in the mixed media, and I really wanted to try the 400 series because I wanted to try something new. And there's a total of 15 sheets in here, so I got that. And that was all from Michael's. Now the last few things that I just already had were this laundry hamper, and I know it doesn't look like a laundry hamper folded up like this, but it's supposed to be a little like travel size. So like if you like take that off, and then it like pops open like this, and see, laundry hamper, and then it like folds out. So there's that, and then like to put it back together you have to like twist it very awkwardly. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. But I had bought this a few days ago. The stuff that I just showed you I bought like yesterday, but this was like a few days ago. And another thing I bought were these playing cards, and like they have this like cute like feather design, and like I'm just like, that's cute, because you never know when you want to play cards. So next I have shower curtain rings, because you have to bring your own shower curtain. And then I got this thick shower curtain liner, but like one of my other roommates already said they were gonna bring a shower curtain, so I'm just like, I'll bring a liner just in case. So got that. And that is all that I bought recently for my trip. And I'm like so excited but also nervous, so I will be keeping you guys updated with what I pack, and like I'll be vlogging to show you guys like my like journey or whatever. Yeah, okay. Before I like continue rambling on for another 2 hours. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Okay, make sure and subscribe, like this video, and comment down below any video suggestions, or just say hi or whatever. If I have any questions, just leave them down there. And if you're wondering about the prices, I'll probably like have them up on the screen, but the Dollar Tree prices, I'm pretty sure you can guess the price. All was $1. And then if you're wondering about the Michaels products, I'll just have those listed in the description box below, or I'll like have it up on the screen. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.